Hello, my name is Terry Walton and I'm a member of the Collingwood Society, which is a society based at Trinity House in Newcastle, and it's dedicated to the memory of Admiral Cuthbert Collingwood.
Tell us a little bit about Collingwood, how he became to be so famous.
Collingwood was born in the side in Newcastle. His father was a shopkeeper, if that's a kind way of saying it. And he joined the Navy aged about 12, if memory serves. He went to sea with his uncle and had a very long and illustrious career. He became a great friend of Nelson and followed Nelson in many of his commands.
Now he's probably known as the unsung hero of Trafalgar.
At Trafalgar, Collingwood commanded the Royal Sovereign. The Royal Sovereign was the first ship to fire on the French. He was Nelson's deputy, and after Nelson's death on board HMS Victory, Collingwood took command of the fleet and oversaw Victory and its aftermath. He oversaw Nelson's return to England and his dispatch from Trafalgar outlining the battle gave all the credit to Nelson.
Now tell us a little bit about his connection with Morpeth.
So he married a lady, I think it was Mr Blackett's daughter of Newcastle, and they moved here where the house still exists. It's just round the corner from the town hall. He loved this area, although he didn't spend very much time here at all. He spent most of his time at sea. But whilst he was here, he used to walk along the river Wansbeck with his dog Bounce and scatter acorns, because he always thought the country should have lots of oak trees to build lots of ships.
Now, you've told us a lot about Collingwood, but here tonight you're going to be telling us about something else.
Yes, tonight I'm giving a talk here on nautical phrases and sayings and their origins. Things like nail one's colours to the mast, which is a true nautical saying coming from the Battle of Camperdown, when a Sunderland man, after the ship's HMS Venerable ship's colours were shot away, that's a sign of surrender in those days. The Sunderland man grabbed the flag, climbed the mast and nailed the colours to the mast. You know, a true nautical saying. Others, like shake a leg, for a boatswain going round in the morning to get men up and telling them to shake a leg to show that they were awake. Or one version is, because women were allowed on board ships, to show that it was a woman in the hammock and she could stay there. You know, and there are lots of others.
What's been the reaction when you've delivered this talk in the past? Are people sort of quite surprised at the origins of some of these sayings?
Absolutely, because some of them are nautical and a lot are not. They're simply attributed to becoming naval origin, quite falsely. So my final phrase is always, we should never, it's something that every sailor knows when they tell a story, should never let the truth get in the way of a good story.